What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be installing a new steering wheel in my car. So I got a new steering wheel.
Boom. It's a Toyota Supra steering wheel.
Supra, it's the same. It's not out of a Supra, but it's pretty much the same thing.
Yeah.
And then I got oh, there you go. Another shift boot.
Look at that. It's fancy boy right here.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Not real though, but it's whatever. And then I got another shift knob, likewise shift knob. This thing's so nice. And he just dropped the airbag. Came with the adapter, or I had to buy that separately. And then I got some new LEDs because the LEDs I have in my interior are starting to go out. So I got some new LEDs. I'm gonna do the gauge cluster LEDs and then the dome light. Always disconnect the battery before. That way.
Yeah.
When I take the airbag out, it doesn't blow up in my face. Insertion.
Alright. Taking off the battery.
Sick. Okay.
Sick.
Now we're ready to rumble. Now, what am I doing? We're taking off the steering wheel.
Taking off the steering. First step, taking off this cover. Right here.
Probably one of these. I don't know why I'm shaking so much, but I'm shaking like a lot. I'm also kind of stupid.
I use this one. Oh shit. This one. And then I have to just
here, I'm gonna try this side first, see what happens. There she goes, there she blows. Oh, there she goes. Here, let me try to do the rest with this. Let me see.
Damn, took us forever to.
Yeah, bro. Does it go out? Oh, there it goes.
There. Dead.
Oh. Oh, so it slides out this way.
Oh, it's like.
And then it looks like...
Yeah, it's an Allen wrench. So probably that's like a 5mm or...
Those look like Torx bits.
So this one, yeah.
So there's two of them on each side there. Let me take the other one off.
Take that bitch out. So be careful when you pull this steering, because there's like a long ass, like a wire. It's like a toilet paper roll wire. So you said so this steering wheel is also from a Supra.
Yeah, they were used in Supras too, like that one. But that one was used in the twin turbos, and then I'm pretty sure
twin turbo
Supra?
Supra?
That one was in the NA Supras, yeah.
So from what car did you?
It's just Toyota.
Oh, Toyota.
They're pretty much all the same.
Oh.
Yeah, pretty much universal. Pretty much.
How much you pay for this?
Too much.
Dang.
Yeah. You almost got it?
Almost got it right there.
Let's see. Oh yeah, now the wire.
Get this bitch out and then pull.
Sick. Now we just gotta boo thing. This is a lot harder than it looks, so go fuck yourself, please. Thank you very much. I wish I had an impact still, because that would be so easy. Was it already loose? Yeah. You're fucking lying.
Wait.
I know, you put it back on. Hold on.
Wait, no. It's fine.
No, put it back on. So when
no, because it has a T.
I know, but still. So you do this, right? And then you fucking... Out with the old.
In with the new.
Hell yeah. Alright, watch out real quick. Let me do these lights in the gauge cluster. And then we gonna be rocking. And then we're gonna do the shift knob and the shift boot. And then it'll be a whole new car. I was gonna grab the steering wheel to try to push myself forward. And there's no steering wheel. This kid is staring at us like we're fucking crazy. Not yet.
Okay.
Simmer down, bud.
I'm just so hyped.
You think I'm not hyped?
Now he's taking off the whatever that thing.
I'm gonna break it. You wanna see me break it? I'll rip this thing apart, dude.
This boy.
It's stuck. It's stuck. There she go.
Oh, there you go.
Okay. And
Chill, fool.
we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Everything's okay. Everything's fine. Now I need a longer screwdriver because this is not gonna work.
Cause he.
It'll work up here actually.
So tell them what you're doing.
I'm taking the gauge cluster out so I can switch the bulbs because the bulbs are starting to wear out. Go out.
On this one?
Go out. Yeah. Because some of them are like blinking,
Uh-huh.
and then some of them are just dim. Like on this side, these two over here are blinking, and then these are just dim. And then this one up here is starting to blink too, the dome light. So I gotta change that too.
Oh, also in here too, right?
Which
Somewhere
one?
Here?
Oh yeah, this one
Yeah,
doesn't
that
work,
one.
so I gotta do that.
Yeah.
And then I gotta do this one behind the vents. It shouldn't take too long, but we'll see.
Alright. Alright, we're taking off the negative terminal
We're trying to.
and place it on this thing. Right there.
That little nipple
So
thing.
the horn is gonna work.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
It should.
Alright, boy, show me how you replace that.
Alright, so I just plugged it in, and we plugged in the battery, and only this side of the gauge cluster was working, or it was lighting up, so I just got to switch the polarity on these sides.
Alright, show them how you replaced it.
So just take it out and flip it. Fuck, I forgot how it was. Always remember which way it was, because then you have to do it 3 times, and that's annoying.
So all you have to do is just twist them.
Take it out, yeah. Twist, pull out, make sure you ooh. And then flip. Here we go. That one's probably not gonna work, but we'll see. We'll see.
Sheesh.
There we go.
Sheesh, look at that. Look how clean that thing.
Real clean. Cool. Alright. That's done.
Alright, so I just finished replacing the clip for the airbag. This clip was on this thing before. Now I took the old one and put it in the new one.
Yeah. Because
And
the one
it
on
works.
here, I'm pretty sure the US one and like the JDM ones are much different.
The JDM ones are smaller,
Yeah.
and the US one is
And this one's a
bigger.
little fatter.
Yeah.
It's a little thicker. Ain't nothing wrong with that though.
Alright guys, the update is we just finished replacing all the LED bulbs on
Well, not really all. Not really all of them.
I mean not all of them, but
That's kind of impossible. Pretty sure the smaller
we're
ones
almost done
were
replacing
not meant to be
almost.
replaced.
These are all the LED bulbs, by the way.
The new ones.
The new ones. The new
They're actually
ones.
really bright for how small they
Yeah.
are.
Wait, show it to them. Show them.
See, ladies, size doesn't matter.
Hey, show it to them. How bright the one over there. Look how
Gee,
bright.
that's even
that
more
thing
bright
is.
than these.
Look how bright that
That's
thing.
so bright. That's gonna be good though. Because the old one, it was this has 3 LEDs. The old one only had 1,
Yeah,
so it should be
that's
good.
sick.
Real good.
Wait.
Holy fucking shit!
What?
I almost dropped it, bro.
Guess what time is it?
It's steering wheel time. Oh
No
my god,
way.
dude, this is fucking amazing. Which way should I? Definitely not that way.
That way.
There we go.
Oh! That shit's wet. Airbag time.
Let's see here. Boom! Shit. Oh my god.
Like that.
Plug the battery in real quick.
Not yet.
Yet. Because I want to see if the airbag light's on. Because if it's
But
on.
once you unplug, before, get the fuck out of there first. Because once we plug the battery, it's gonna. That's
Unplug
like
the battery.
Hey! Don't scare me like that, motherfucker.
Should I start it? Because all the lights are on.
Huh?
Oh, it turned off.
Oh, good.
Yo, let's fucking do it. Oh.
Hey!
Damn, this shit looks so fucking good. It looks OEM.
Damn, look at that. That
Wait till I get this boy
fire. Yeah.
Please blow
That
up.
shit's fire, bro.
Oh, I didn't even put the nut on. I'm fucking stupid.
Oh, yeah. Well,
Too
where's the
excited.
nut?
That's a good question. I have no idea. It's right now. I'm excited.
Oh, shit. Garbage.
Not garbage.
Not garbage.
Look at it.
Bro, look at that.
This thing's so clean.
Hold
on, let me scoot back for you guys.
Shit, boy.
So clean. It looks so clean. It's just, it's so nice. Wow. It feels good too. Skirt, skirt. All right, time to do the shift boot and the shift knob. This should be fairly easy.
Garbage. Look how nice this thing.
What about the shift boot?
Shift boots? Oh yeah.
See, this was good while it lasted. But
Garbage.
it's not garbage. it's nice garbage.
Nice garbage. Where's the other one?
All right.
So we ended up not
You already know
using the.
Oh yeah.
Where's the other one? Shit.
Because this one, I really wanted to use this one, but
Same.
it just wasn't working.
It wasn't working.
But you know what?
Every time we shift gears, this thing's gonna pull.
Yeah, but you know what? When I get another car, I'll just use this in it.
Yep. On your IS 300.
Ooh, if I ever fucking get one.
Yeah.
But let's see. Let's see. I don't think you guys are ready for this.
But
Ready? 1, 2. Wow. Look at that. Let me scoot back more. Oh, that's as far as I can go. All right. Look at that.
right there.
That looks so good. Wow. It looks OEM. It's so
Right?
clean. It actually
So
matches everything
clean.
else
Yes.
better than I thought it would.
Yeah.
And then you got this. Oof. It looks pretty good with the stock one. It looks a little tall, but I think it looks pretty good. It looks clean.
Good. Pretty good.
Alright, I think that's gonna do it for today's video. Got everything installed, got the steering wheel installed, got all the LEDs installed, the new ones looking real nice. Got the gauges installed. Got those installed, those are way brighter. I like that.
Wet.
Yeah. Steering wheel looks fire too. With the shifter and everything. I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it. If you guys liked what you saw, comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Peace out.